So guys, today we have a little bit of a chill session. I will go through my volume profile settings and show you exactly how you can split the overnight session to the regular trading hours using volume profile. So let's not talk around and jump here straight into the video. So guys, some of you ask me how I separate the volume profile like that, and that's not very hard. Okay, so you go here to indicators, you go to technicals, to profile, and then down here you will plot on two session volume profiles. Okay, so you click here twice. So here on the left hand side should now stand SVP and SVP. Okay, so I put now the regular trading hours away right here and just focus on the overnight session settings. So I will go here in and show you my settings. So on sessions I have custom session, okay, and my session is here a little bit different as your time zone because I live in Europe, but I will plot here the New York time zone as well in here. Value area volume I have 70, and rows layout I have here ticks per row. Okay, and on row size I have here 1. Now on style I have here width of the box 20%. So on the style you can customize your volume profile as you like. Okay, so you can make it pink, you can make it blue, whatever guys. Okay, this is not so very important. Now you can put on the value area high and low from the overnight session, but I personally don't do this because I want a cleaner chart. But you can put this on, and as well the point of control, but I leave this away right here. So this is my exact overnight session setting. So as I said, I live in Europe, but I will plot on the New York time as well. Right, and then it should look like this. And the second profile right here, I have the settings right in here. So session as well, custom. Then I have the beginning from the New York session till close. But I will plot here in the New York time zone that you can copy it. Okay, so on volume I have here again total, value area volume 70, rows layout ticks per row as well, and row size 1. Now on style right here I have the width of 30, so the box is here 30%. And down here I have here value area high, plot on, value area low, and point of control, because I want to see how value is moving. Okay, I want to see where is the point of control is moving, where are the value area high and value area lows, and this lines right here helps me to identify it. So this right here is the exact layout that I am using every day to trade futures. Now some of you guys always say volume profile it's too complicated and it's too hard to learn on or whatever. Guys, when you learn this exact setup, it's so freaking easy to trade, because when I look here on a naked chart, I don't even know where zones are. We are here on the 1 minute time frame, guys. I don't know where big orders are stacked. I don't know where is value. I don't know anything. I have no clue right here where are specific levels that I can look out for a trade. Okay, now when I plot on here the volume profile chart, I know where should I trade and where should I not be trading. It's a good example right here on Friday's price action. So when I plot here the value area high, value area low from the overnight session, and I go here to the replay mode right in here. So this is the beginning of the New York session, guys. So I already have here two zones that I can look out from, and I have also here the point of control. So let's just mark this out right here. I also have here the point of control. So I know now I have 3 valid zones that I can wait that the market comes to this level, and then I decide to go long or short. So just dial in this volume profile analysis and you will be profitable, I promise you guys. But you need to stick. You really need to stick to one strategy. You cannot trade volume profile for one day and then decide, this is not working for me. You need to learn it day in and day out, and you will get your first payout. I will promise you this. So now right here, only by looking the overnight session, I can already tell, okay, I'm looking for longs because the point of control is all the way up here. And then I can look for longs on the value area low right here, or the breakthrough from value area high and the retest. So this is all I am doing. I only have to mark out the value area high, point of control, and value area low, and then I'm only waiting an hour that the current profile can a little bit develop, and then I'm looking for my first position. So when I play this now here out, that I can show you what I mean by this. So now look at this, guys. The market shoots up, comes into value area high. And what is the market doing right here? You can see this, the market rejected and goes straight down to what? To value area low right here. Now, and what I am doing now is look for my long position. We are on a valid zone right here. We are on a value area low right here. So what's this profile right here telling me? So we are currently a little bit in a ranging market because the point of control is in the middle. The value area high is here and the value area low is here. All right. So we have a little, here is a little bit building up a node, but on top we have no node, and on the middle right here we have a bunch of volume. This is meaning the point of control is now a magnet. So when the market decides to come out here of value, the market quickly decides to push back into point of control. Okay, so this is telling me the regular trading hours profile, but now we are here on a valid trade. You can see we are on the value area low, and when I zoom out here, the point of control on the overnight session is all the way up here. So on the overnight session the buyers were in control. Okay, so now I can look right here to watch out for my first position. So we are on the value area low, and when I look now on, again guys, I preach this in all my videos, you should look at delta to watch if their buyers are interested to buy at this exact level. Okay, when you see no buyers right here on the delta, then you don't jump on a trade. So let's say guys, we are seeing here on the delta buying aggression exactly on this level, and we jump here in on a long position. So let's jump here in on a long position, and my first take profit, as I always said guys, is the point of control from the regular trading hours. And then my second take profit will be the point of control on the overnight session, and then the value area high from the overnight session. So I have always more than one position open because I want that my winners run. I don't want to go out always on a one-to-one that destroys my risk to reward ratio. So as I said, first take profit, point of control. So let's just play this out and see where the market is moving. We can see here a little bit of buying aggression right here, and we going up. Not quite yet on the take profit, so let's just play this now further out, and right in here I will go to break even, and my second take profit, as I said, is the point of control from the overnight session. So this is approximately a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and this is what I'm searching every day. Okay, I'm really preferring a 1 to 2 guys, and not a 1 to 1. So let's just put our stop to break even, and let's just play this now out and see where the market is moving. So as I said guys, I already have taken out some profits, so I'm good in this position. So I have no emotions, my emotions are gone, and I can let this winner run. So let's just play this out and see. You can see the market pushes up and takes out the point of control, and now we are on the value area high. And now you can really decide, okay, should I let this now run, because we know we are on a little of a P-shaped formation on the overnight session. So we know that the market should look out for a higher value. So what you as well can do is trail your stop loss, and I have here a good indicator to trail your stop loss. And this right here are, I go here quickly into the settings as well guys. So I have here a 8 moving average and a 24 moving average. Okay, and then you can look out to trail your position. So when the market decides to go one directional up or one directional down, you just trail your stop loss to the 24 EMA. So let's just play this now a little bit further out that we can see where the market is moving. So now right here you can see the market testing the 80 EMA. So you trail your stop loss to the 80 EMA, and so on and so forth guys. So when you want to see more volume profile setups or more volume profile trading, then please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will put my effort in to make more videos like that. I will see you in the next video. Bye.